Hey Jen, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about DK, water and fire damage restoration services. But before we begin talking and discussing about your website, I do want to talk about and refresh your memory on how we can show the different ways and how we can be found. So with that, let's get to it. So if we were to type in, let's just say water damage restoration San Francisco. You will get these sponsoreds up here. This is one way on how you can be found in Google. Now, the second way on how you can be found, which you are already up here at the top for water damage restoration San Francisco. So I really don't need to explain too much from this, but 30% of your business will come from here. So with that, it looks like you are dominating here with citations and also with your business profile. So um, that's a plus there. Uh, the other the other part that you could be found for, or the other way, excuse me, is the organic section, which is water damage recovery, lion restoration, and Yelp. And the reason why Yelp is up here is because they're pushing nationally. So these are called the organics um, right up here. So with that, let's get to it. Um, let's get to your website and just let's see what Google would really like and dislike about it. So let's just take a quick look. All right, I really like how you have the DK up here, your Dry Kings logo. Okay, let's see. Okay, what I don't like is you don't have any drop downs, which is really helpful if you have that. You do have some keywords. It looks like here. Looks like you got some pretty much content. Wow, I would say you have about, let's see, come down. Alright. All in all, it looks like a good layout of your website. So I would say all in all, you have probably about 800 words of content on your homepage. What Google really looks for in content is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and also uh, for every one, also they Google really wants to for you to save keywords also in your content. Um, so let's take a quick look at your competitors' content here. Okay, lion restoration, they are at the top. So let's take a quick look. They do as well. They have some keywords here as well. Okay, I would say they have probably a little bit less content than you. So I would say maybe 400, maybe 300 words of content here. So in a nutshell, when it comes to content, Google really loves around that number. So you want to make sure that that's what you have on your home page as long as you have some keywords as well. So the next thing I do want to talk about and discuss is keywords and backlinks. Now I plugged in your website to excuse me, a tool that we can use to see what your website is doing right now in the eyes of Google. So basically, this is your power here. This is your strength. Up a scale of 100, you have 1.18 thousand backlinks coming here. Okay, 125 referrings, 654 organic keywords. Now it looks like you got 104 organic traffic, which is not bad. It's pretty good. Let's take a quick look at your keywords. Now these are all the keywords that you're using, and it tells you how much volume for each keyword that you're using in a nutshell. And then here's everything that they're linking to. So these are all the URL links. Um, so yeah, this one's lost, so it's no longer going to this. So These are just different things with proper SEO backlinking that you can get fixed and kind of see how you can uh, better do things organically, so that way it could become better. So let's take a quick look at your competitors. Okay, so they have uh, this much power, this much strength. So they have 389 organics. And looks like you have um, a bit more organic traffic going through your website than they do. So it could be because you're at the top of the map pack area there. But the reason why um, these guys are showing uh, that they have high traffic is basically because of their keywords on how everything is coming together as far as referring domains and backlinks. So that's what we would like to do here, is make sure that that we are saving everything properly with proper SEO backlinks and things of that nature. So but that's about all I have for you um, as far as that's concerned. But mainly the main focus that we want to focus on is how you can be found. We have these sponsored areas here. You have, of course, the map pack area, which you're up here at the top. But also, if you have another, um, say, fire damage, let's just say that you have fire damage restoration. See, and then you're up there as well. So I notice here that you are on the 4th position. So let's go back to water damage. Okay. So so the reason why, like I said, Yelp is up here because they're pushing at a national level. So they're getting all the business up here. So is line restoration. Also, water damage recovery. So these three positions are right below the map pack area. Um, as far as that goes, these are the three that are going to be getting the most business. So 70% of your business will come from here. Optimizing your website is basically a good thing because it'll help you rank up here. And also, you don't want to leave money on the table as well if you're not up here being found. So with that, I hope this information was useful to you. Um, if you need a guide to kind of help you um, grow your business a little more and get to the top, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua of Peterson SEO, 505-331-7995, or you can reach my email at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.